Hey guys, it's Nintendo Dude 1000 here again, and it's how to make a homemade fish hook. And for this, for this whatever, you're gonna need a needle nose pliers with like one of those cutting things here, and a soda can. I learned this trick on Survivorman on channel 60 in Canada. OLN. Whatever. It's a show on that channel. It's pretty cool. You should check it out. And, yeah. So here, you just take this and, cut here. Just gotta, like, here, look. Hold the soda can thing with your needle nose pliers like this. Then put the focus on. Yeah. Then you just bend it. Bend it, bend it, bend it. Okay. Yeah, I think I heard it snap. Wait. Okay, I don't know if it broke yet. There we go. Look. Now you see that it's an open spot there. Now you're gonna grab it here, like that. Bring it down. Bring it down. It's kinda hard to bring it down though. I brung it down a little too far. Here. Just like that. Now, for a fish hook, you're gonna need this to be a little sharper. So, you're gonna take the cutting. Whoa. Yeah, wait. Just a minute. Okay. My back is sore right now. Now you're just gonna cut this part of it with the cutting place, cutting feature of the needle nose pliers. Oh yeah, that's sharp now. Look, that's sharp. Okay, now I would use my fingers for this part because the needle nose pliers might break it. Can I just change the camera angle for a second? Just wait. Okay, Ziggy, shut up. Okay, that was just my dog barking. As I was saying, I'd use my fingers for this part because the needle nose pliers will break it. Well, maybe. Well, you just gotta, bend it like a fish hook, like would be. I've seen him hunt for crayfish this way. So, oh, that's really sharp. It's really good. Well, you can do it with the other side, but it's gonna be hard because it's like more metal there. I'm watching Operation Refill right now, but whatever. Fish goes, grabs it, gets hooked. No, look. I'm gonna use the needle nose pliers. I broke it. Wait. Might fix it. Good. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. Oh, that was a close one. No. The way he did it was he put a shoelace through here. And, wonder if I have a shoelace. Wait, I'll be right back with a shoelace. Okay. Okay, I got a shoelace sort of thing. This is what he did. He grabbed the other side, put it through the front, well, the top. Well, just the short one, just for example. The other one he had was like, I don't know, 5 feet long. And then what he did was he tied it at the end here so that it would come off. There. Now look, he tied it here. Okay. And then put it through here. And then that holds it. And then, if you're hunting for crayfish in the wild, then you're gonna need like beef jerky. That's what he used, or piece of chicken or something, and just stick it there. Crayfish will come, and well, it won't eat it, but it'll like clamp it with its claw. And what he did was he like flung it out like really fast when they clawed it, and he caught it. If you're looking for like minnows or something, that's really the same thing, but it's like the fish kind of way, like, you know, like whatever, he eats it, and then, like, you pull him in. It's like the fishing kind of way. So, yeah, you should check out that show. It's pretty cool. Look how sharp that is. Look. Okay, so that's how, well, yeah, I'm gonna show you the whole, you know. Well, this is just for example. This is an example shoelace thing. This is all I found. That's really sharp. So that's really how you make a homemade fish hook. So, till next time, I'm Nintendo Dude 1000. Bye.